Viking Pump's Revolution series is one of the most customizable and efficient pumps in the Hygienic product offering. The Revolution series combines easy cleaning, convenient maintenance, and solid performance with industry-leading process flexibility. Revolution series pumps have a number of features that make them a versatile choice in almost any process. This series can utilize both circumferential piston or rotary lobe rotors, depending on process needs. A variety of interchangeable seal types are also available, with customizable seal face and FDA-compliant elastomer options. This series is offered with a complete range of both hygienic and industrial porting options. And a bolt-on mounting foot allows for quick orientation changes. Revolution series pumps are fully stainless steel with a standard 0.8 micron internal finish. Improved finishes and electro-polish options are also available. This series is designed for efficient clean-in-place, and cusps in the pump casing allow for complete self-draining when the ports are oriented vertically. Common applications for this series include pharmaceutical, personal care, food and beverage, and chemical processes. Revolution series pumps come in a range of sizes and flow rates to match process needs. Consult your local distributor or Viking Pumps application engineering team to determine the ideal pump for your process. Finally, maintaining a Revolution series pump is easy. Seal changes are fast with a front-loading design that allows the pump to remain in line, and front access shimming for setting rotor clearance further reduces downtime. Parts are also interchangeable between pumps within the same frame size, allowing for better inventory management. Maintenance kits are also available, saving time and money. The Revolution series brings easy cleanability, simple maintenance, high efficiency, and a number of user-friendly options that provide much-needed flexibility to any hygienic process. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.